I'm James Ely, I'm from Liverpool, and I'm up here at Heathrow today. Joined the academy last week and then just come to the event. The event's just totally, was a bit sceptical. Went to the pound crash course with me fiance, who's just went then. Totally sceptical, turned up, joined the academy, and just unbelievable, to be fair. Some of the things I thought I knew a little bit about property. I bought a few in the past, but just totally mind-blowing, just like what I'm learning. I've bought a few residentials myself, and I own another property what's just a family member living in it. It's my property, but just this is totally mind-blowing, totally new, opened my eyes completely. Oh yeah, hopefully, yeah, it's gonna progress me a lot faster than where I thought I wanted to be with the knowledge that I'm gaining. Yeah, hopefully. Well, definitely.
To anyone thinking about getting into property, why do you think this is a good place to start?
I've spoken to a few people who are on the academy, people who've been in property 20 years, and when I'm just talking to them, like, I thought I knew everything about property, and I actually don't know nothing. They just learned the old way, save up, 25%, save up. It's got multiple properties, and he's like, I thought I knew it all. He said, and I actually know nothing. He's been property developer for 20 years. So if you think you know property, if you don't get educated and you don't know the strategies, then you don't know property. So you need to learn, you need to invest in yourself.